Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import a PST file in Outlook. If you're looking to recover old emails, migrate data from another computer, or simply restore a backup, importing a PST file is the way to go. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to load all your emails and folders. This initial loading is important because it ensures that Outlook is fully ready to handle the import process. Once everything has loaded properly, you're ready to move forward. Now look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a menu labeled File. Click on it to open up a range of options that control how Outlook manages your data and settings. This is where most of the heavy lifting happens when it comes to importing or exporting information. Once the File menu has opened, locate and click on the option that says Open and Export. This section is specifically designed for tasks like importing or exporting data files. From the options that appear, look for Import/Export and click on it. This will launch the Import and Export wizard, which is a helpful tool that guides you through the entire process step by step. In the wizard window, you'll see a list of actions you can perform. Select Import from another program or file, then click Next. This tells Outlook that you're bringing in data from an external source rather than exporting or performing another task. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose the file type. Click on Outlook Data File, which is also known as PST, to select it. Once that's selected, click Next again to continue. Now you'll see a field labeled File to Import. Click on the Browse button and a File Explorer window will pop up. This is where you'll navigate to the location where your PST file is stored. It might be on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or on an external drive. Once you've located your PST file, click on it to select it, then click Open. This adds the file path to the import field. After the file has been added, click Next to proceed. You're almost done. On the next screen, you'll see a drop-down option below the directory settings. This is where you select the account or folder you wish to import this PST file into. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you have multiple email accounts configured in Outlook. Once you've made your selection, click Finish. Outlook will now begin importing the PST file, and depending on the size of the file, this might take a few moments. Just be patient and let the process complete. And that's it. You've successfully imported your PST file into Outlook, and all your emails, contacts, and calendar items from that file are now accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.